Hey guys, it's time for another paint party. I want to welcome everyone today, and I'm so glad you're here. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour today on a 12-inch by 16-inch canvas. I have an unusual color for me for the background. I decided to do that because I've really liked the ones that I've done in the past that had unusual colors for the background. I think it provides, a unique look, and that's what I'm always looking for, is to do something that's unique and sets me apart. So we're going to go with some emerald green. The other colors that I'll be using will be provided in the description box if you want to go there and check it out. I will be playing you some music during the pouring portion, but I will come back at the end and we'll talk about the results, and then I'll give you a close-up. Let's get on with the party. Okay guys, now is the time when I just want to look at it and decide if there's something I want to do to it, if it's, if I'm going to keep any of it or if I'm going to scrape part of it. Right now, I like parts of it, but I guess my base was thickening up on me, and I had a little trouble with movement, as you probably noticed. I don't like how just this came out a little bit and then this went way up there, so that's something I'm not thrilled about. Could try to get it to move some more. This side I'm really liking a lot better than this side. This side I had a lot of trouble getting movement, and I'm not getting any color hardly here. I'm beginning to think that I want to get rid of this side. Just scrape this part of the canvas and leave this part because it's okay. It will be hard to do that, to make this match if I scrape this part. I really tried, you know, I put more base down here trying to get movement. It just wouldn't do. This isn't really that bad. It's this. So, and I don't like where this come over into that. Maybe I can just scrape this part, just this part. Maybe I'll do that and not get rid of the whole thing. I'm not real crazy about that area right there, but it's not so bad that I want to take a chance of just getting rid of it all. I think I'll just try and get rid of this part right here and redo that. I'm going to pause the video while I scrape this and get rid of that and put some more base down, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, full disclosure, I had tried to just fix one area of the painting, and that didn't work out so good. So now I decided to go ahead and scrape the one whole side of it, and I'm going to lay down some more color and then blow out that side. Hopefully we can get something that looks more consistent with the other side. I'm going to put you back up on the tripod, and we will get started again. Well guys, that that turned out a lot better than before, so I'm pretty pleased with that one. The only issue is that they still don't match whatsoever. It looks, you know, now it looks like I need to scrape this part and do it over because it's not, you know, flared out as much as this is, and it doesn't have any lacing like this side does. So it looks like I'm gonna have to redo this side because that's why I always hesitate to try and do pieces like this. I've had trouble with it in the past of trying to get one side to match the other, but it's to me it's worth the effort. So I'm going to put you on pause, scrape this off, and we're going and turn my painting around because it seems like I do better when I'm going away from me with my blow dryer. So I'll be back in a few. Okay, guys, that is going to do it. No, I did not get quite as much lacing on this side, but it did spread out as, you know, a lot more, and so it looks a lot more even. It looks a lot better in my opinion. Looks like I'm going to need to do a little fixing here, but that's no big deal. Because my paint is moving, obviously, on me. And I've been working on this painting for much longer than I typically do, so things like that can happen when you're paying attention to other things. And with me trying to get that other side like I want it, kind of didn't notice what was going on over here. It's not the end of the world, period. I wish that there was more color right in here, and I could possibly try to blow this right here, just this one little area, to see if I can get that color to spread out. I'm not going to put any more color down. I hope I'm still in the frame. I've really worked. This one has really made me work, I tell you. I just wanted to turn it around to see if I think I should do that or not. Oh, because I don't want to totally screw it up. I've worked way too hard on this. Let's give it a try. Actually, that wasn't a total mess up. That did spread out more. It got rid of all that lacing, but that's okay since I don't have that much lacing on this side. I could actually try to spread it out a little bit more. I'm going to leave it. That's it. That's it, folks. that is going to be it. So let me, no, it's not exactly matching. I don't know, you know, I have never been able to do that anytime I've tried a piece where similar to this. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So I'm going to get the camera down and give you guys a close-up. Okay, let's do a close-up. Let my camera adjust here. Here we go. As you can see, that 24 karat gold is going to be absolutely awesome in this, as it always is in any Dutch pour. If you've done these or seen anyone do them, you're probably aware of that. We're just going to look at this side first. I like the blending of the colors there. That's kind of weird looking right there, but I ain't hating it or anything. I'll be interested to see how it looks when it dries, of course. Always different. Now let's take a look at this other side. I think I like this side the best. Ooh, I like the coloring there. That's really pretty. I have no idea what I'm going to call this one. This one's going to be difficult. It was difficult to make, and it's going to be difficult to name. So there we go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Wow, my camera is just really wanting to play with me. So we're going to wrap it up for today. That one was a long one. It's not going to be long for you, though, because I'm going to cut out all the stuff of my trials that didn't work out so hot. But this one I like, and I'm going to bid you farewell, and I can't wait to do another paint party with you guys. I'll see you then. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.